Praise be to God, and prayers and peace be upon the messenger of God and his family and companions. As for what follows, Islam means submission to God Almighty through monotheism, submission to him through obedience, and salvation from polytheism. It is one of the three levels of religion, which are Islam, faith, and charity. As for its pillars, bearing witness that there is no God but God and that Muhammad is the messenger of God, establishing prayer, paying zakat, fasting during Ramadan, and performing Hajj to the house for those who are able, as stated in the well-known hadith of Gabriel from the narration of Omar, may God be pleased with him. Islam. To bear witness that there is no God but God and that Muhammad is the messenger of God, and perform the prayer, pay the zakat, fast Ramadan, and perform the Hajj to the house if you are able to make a way to it. The hadith was narrated by Muslim. These 5 things are the pillars of Islam if it is mentioned with faith. Like this hadith of Omar, and like his saying, may God's prayers and peace be upon him, O God, I have submitted to you and in you I have believed. But if Islam is separate from faith, then its meaning is general to the meaning of faith. It includes the apparent, advanced, deeds, and it includes the hidden deeds such as faith in God, His angels, His books, His messengers, etc. As the Almighty says, indeed, the religion with God is Islam, Al-Imran, 19, and His saying, may God bless him and grant him peace. Islam began as something strange, and it will return as something strange as it began. Narrated by Muslim. Islam is the religion that God has chosen for his servants and has declared that it will not be accepted from anyone but him. The Almighty said, indeed, the religion with God is Islam, Al-Imran 19, and he said, and whoever seeks a religion other than Islam, it will not be accepted from him, and in the hereafter he will be among the losers. Al-Imran, 85. The law of Islam is the dominant law that abrogates the laws that came before it. And he commanded, may God grant judgment and return the dispute to it. So he said, and judge between them according to what God has revealed and do not follow the desires. Al-Ma'idah 49. And he said, and we have sent down to you the book with the truth, confirming what was before it of the book and establishing control over it. So judge between them according to what God has revealed and do not follow the desires. Al-Ma'idah 48. God prevented the people of Islam from following anything other than his law, saying, follow what has been sent down to you from your Lord, and do not follow guardians besides him. Al-Araf 3. The name Islam was not limited to the religion that was revealed to Muhammad, may God bless him and grant him peace. Rather, it is the name of the religion that was revealed to all the prophets. However, God honored this nation by calling the companions of Muhammad, may God bless him and grant him peace, and his followers Muslims, not by another name like the Jews who were attributed to their saying, we converted, meaning we adopted, and like the Christians who attributed to Nazareth a town in Palestine, and the like. God has mentioned in the Quran in many places about many of the prophets and their followers that they were Muslims, and this shows that his saying, glory be to him, the Most High. And whoever seeks a religion other than Islam, it will not be accepted from him, and in the hereafter he will be among the losers. Al-Imran, 85. And his saying, indeed, religion with God is Islam. Al-Imran 19. It is not specific to the one to whom Muhammad, may God bless him and grant him peace, was sent. Rather, it is a general ruling in the first and last generations, as stated by Shaykh al-Islam ibn Taymiyyah and others. God knows.